Okay, portfolio investment versus foreign direct investment. So the foreign direct investment, this is where the foreigner goes to the country and owns and operates the factory. So it would be like you go to China, you buy land, you build a factory, you directly own and operate it. So that's the direct investment. You're directly involved in the production process. The portfolio investment would be that there's business people in China that want to have a factory, but they don't have the financial capital, the money to do it. So you would then provide the money for them. So you don't directly own or operate the factory. It's run by Chinese individuals, but it's created with your money. So both types of investment from abroad can contribute to economic growth, specifically for a poor country. So hopefully that